Welcome to Judge News. Let's see what happens when the judge hears this case.
Court calls the case. People versus Troy Swope.
Okay, we'll ask you to speak, Your Honor.
Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can rule, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Troy Swope. Judge, Mr. right here.
Go ahead, bud.
Mr. Swope was here, and we talked a little bit, and I instructed him to go to community corrections to pay for further testing of his submitted sample. That was just probably about 20-30 minutes ago. As his name was getting closer and closer on the list to being called, I messaged community corrections. I have not heard back yet to know if he...
Can you see if there's a Mr. Swope over there? Or if he, after testing positive for Suboxone, cocaine, and fentanyl, whether he's just taken off and Miss Acton really has just let him go. Oh, yeah. Probably gonna either take him or you. Better hope he's around.
You have this.
Cannon's trying to save you. She's not coming back. Cannon's gonna walk out there. Nope, no, I'm seeing.
No.
They don't have names in just yet.
I'll pass this. Oh, you pray. Court calls the case of People versus Aaron Washington.
Took the people.
Assistant Public Defender Jay Bellinger on behalf of Aaron Washington, who, from my understanding, Your Honor, was given, okay, hold on.
Like he,
Was given the Zoom information. We had the conversation yesterday with him. So
he was Swope or what? No.
I'm checking. And I just texted the number that I have for him and I haven't heard back. So I'm a little confused as to why he's not here because he does a good job of showing up. I haven't had issues with him in the past. So I don't know if you'd be willing to help me out here just for today's purposes.
Don't make this about you.
It's just call it a personal favor.
All right. Bench warrant will issue.
Come on.
To appear bond to set amount of $10,000 cash surety. That warrant will issue immediately.
All right.
Court calls the case of versus Eric Williams.
And is that on behalf of the people, Your Honor?
Well,
Excuse me, ma'am. Good.
Push her out of the way.
Oh, my, he's gonna say. Oh,
What? Eric really is talking to everybody, and I'm messing up my doc. Just Gaines, you put your appearance on?
I will put my appearance on, but things are about to change. Joy Gaines,
Things are about to change.
things are about to change. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender representing Mr. Williams. Your Honor,
Your name, sir?
Eric Williams.
Your Honor, I had put in a request for an adjournment, but Miss Iconrulli has Your Honor, I am so sorry.
Did he pay for the confirmation test? He was.
I believe so. They said he came in at 118.
He came in at 118.
Told you about 30 minutes
And
ago.
it's no longer there, and he left.
And he said,
And it's 151.
oh, Ryan's coming. Oh, Ryan said he's here. Corn chips.
Just in time to go.
That's the focus.
Your name?
Troy Swope.
Hey, what are we doing on this? I have a violation report.
That is correct. I did have an opportunity to review the report with Mr. Swope, for purpose are asking for an adjournment to continue negotiations. Judge, Mr. Swope indicates to me that he has been clean. He has not used any drugs. He did on the date we were last here, the 5th. I think the court remembers that there was an issue. I think he had not, the issue originally, Your Honor, was that he had done the first test. And I think that he was in a car accident. Now, he states he was in a car accident. He was not able to do the second test. We were able to get that resolved because he went over to community corrections. He met with them. He tested at that point. That is that 5th date.
Okay.
So for the Suboxone, he does, I know you said cocaine and fentanyl. Go ahead.
I just want to say, when I first got out, I wasn't able to get my Suboxone. So I was really sick, and that's why I self-medicated. That's like the only reason that I medicated in the first place. There's no excuse for what I did. I know I'm on bond I wasn't supposed to use, but I was just really sick, and I'm trying to be honest. Like, I'm in recovery. I'm trying to do the right thing. It's just, I know I dropped.
When did you get out?
Got out the 19th of February. So being on Suboxone, if I don't take it, I get really sick.
I know what happened.
Yeah, that's why.
But the problem is that by the 5th of March, I have Suboxone, cocaine, and fentanyl. That's a very dangerous combination.
Oh yeah,
Deadly.
absolutely. And I just dropped on the 16th recently, and
Same thing comes back.
that's what I'm saying. It came up positive.
Two cases are called. We have 23 CR 826, which is a motion to revoke probation filed October 1st of 2025. So that's heading toward a half a year, which alleges, among other things, the defendant, while on probation for the offense of manufacturing or delivery of a controlled substance, a first-degree felony, he committed the offenses of illegal possession of a controlled substance. And then also, number 2, associated with a disreputable person and was present where a criminal act was being committed on that same date, where he is alleged to have committed the offense alleged in allegation 1 of the motion to revoke probation. This indictment ended up on July 30th.
That was
a different
thing.
thing.
On probation, Judge. There's another case.
He was placed on probation June 9th. So this, well, no, this is on or about August 27th, 2024, a year before. Wow, that thing took a while, didn't it, to process through. So you've got another indictment already pending that is based upon an event allegedly occurring before you were placed on probation.
Yeah, the possession that's alleged in the motion to revoke probation is a new offense that came to our office, has been sent back to the police to refile it as a manufactured delivery or possession with intent to deliver. So the new charges are coming down that have not been indicted yet. So we're going to.
What do you want to do today?
Well, Judge, I guess my concern now at this point, my client, he's been in custody since September. This is the only hold that has him in custody right now.
It's a serious hold. It's a crime. I'm sorry, it's dealing with drugs, and this is more than 4 ounces. It says more than 40 ounces and less than 5 pounds. What does that come to?
I'm not
That's
sure.
a serious
It
offense.
is, sir. There's a lot of different.
That violation is the most serious if it's 40 ounces.
And of course, to this point, Judge, I mean, for defense standpoint, we haven't had opportunity to review or see any of this at this point to see what's going on.
Well, and he's also on regular probation
Right.
and the court. And this indictment also alleges it's a third-degree felony. He's accused in a second. He is accused of a prior conviction out of 1992. God bless us all. I guess we were that young again. And out of the 252nd. So this third-degree felony is enhanced to second-degree punishment if that's all found true. But all of this, except for this unauthorized use, this is all drug. This is all drugs. You know better. Your hand has been spanked. You know your hand, the fire burns. But yet you embrace the stove again. You just go right back to the same type of actions and decisions that have gotten you here in trouble in the first place. So how much time are you asking for? Because I'm not letting him out. No.
Since he's incarcerated, why don't we just look at it, do a couple of weeks, get them a chance to get the reports in so we can let him look at stuff and we can talk. See if we
Is that
can
good?
get something out.
That's
Is 2 weeks, right?
That way we don't just leave him in there for a long time waiting. We'll see what
I don't
happens
like
in a couple
anybody
weeks.
languishing in
Yes,
there,
sir.
but
Okay.
to get, you need enough time. If you think 2 weeks is good to prepare for that, thank you. Oh,